Yo, yo, yo! What is up, everyone? It's your boy Joey, the Poppy Lover Fan 2005 here, and I am back with another drawing video. And today, we're gonna be drawing Big Bird, Elmo, and Cookie Monster from one of the best shows from my childhood, Sesame Street. Do you guys know why? Because today is the 55th anniversary of Sesame Street. Yeah. And this show, if you guys don't know what this show, Sesame Street is, this show is a show that came out in the 60s. And it's very old. And it's one of the longest running shows, right next to SpongeBob and The Simpsons. So yeah, that's why we're gonna be drawing these three guys: Big Bird, Elmo, and Cookie Monster. So yeah, anyways, those are one of the three main characters from Sesame Street. And this show is about these Muppets, or puppets, if you will, and they all live in Sesame Street. Yeah. That's the name. And Sesame Street is the name of the place. So yeah, anyways. Oh, I'm gonna use this pen, so if you guys either have a pen or a pencil, follow along with me. So let me activate my pen, so we're gonna get started. So let's start by drawing Big Bird. If you guys know who Big Bird is one of the TV show's main characters, and he is a big yellow bird who does not fly. And that's crazy, he does not fly. And he also lives in a nest, and cuddles with his teddy bear called Radar. So yeah, anyways, let's start with, sorry, I'll take it back. So anyway, sorry about the stuttering, guys. LOL, that means laugh out loud. So anyways, I was about to say, let's start. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, to draw Big Bird, let's start by drawing the eye like this. Now we're going to draw another eye connected here. Then we'll draw the eyelids. And then we'll draw the pupil, color in the pupil. And next, we're going to be drawing the beak. And draw his mouth. And draw the tongue. So anyways, so that is Big Bird's face. Now we're going to draw his head. To make it look more like Big Bird. And then we'll draw the hair. And the feathers. Anyways, so that's Big Bird's head. And I'll make the beak a little bigger. So yeah, anyways. So I made Big Bird's beak a little bigger. So yeah, anyways, next we're gonna draw his body, starting off with the neck. Then we'll draw his body. I'll make it like featherier. Next we'll draw the feathers. The tail on this tail. And next we'll draw his body. And start like drawing one arm. And then we'll draw the other arm and his hand. And now we're finally, for Big Bird, we're gonna draw his legs. First we'll draw the lines. And draw his feet. And we're almost done with our Big Bird. And there we go. So that is Big Bird, you guys. And he looks amazing. Right, you guys? Anyways, now that we're done with Big Bird, the next character that we're going to be drawing is Cookie Monster. Cookie Monster is a really funny one. And he's the one who goes, "C is for cookie, that's good enough for me." And you know what's crazy about him? He loves cookies, and he loves eating everything. And he likes to go, "Nom, nom, 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 nom." I really love when he does that. When I first watched Sesame Street. And I love his C is for cookie song. And I really love when he says, "Me love cookies." Yeah. So that's why I like about Cookie Monster. So anyways, so let me color in Big Bird's people's a little better. And we're going to continue. And we're going to start drawing Cookie Monster now. So anyways, just like Big Bird, we'll draw in the eyes like this. Then we're going to draw some pupils. Or color in pupils, I should say. And make his eyes like in different directions. And that makes sense because Cookie Monster's eyes are really silly looking. And you know what's neat about his eyes? They're googly. That's pretty funny. And his eyes look very crazy when I first watched Sesame Street. So yeah, anyways. Let's continue drawing drawing his head, and then we'll draw his mouth. And we'll make the color in his mouth. Yeah. Anyways, though, that is his face. Now we're going to continue drawing him. I'll color and draw his fur. And then we'll draw his hand. Color in the cookie. And that makes sense because he loves cookies. And then we're going to make it half eaten. Bitten. Because that makes sense because Cookie Monster loves to eat cookies. And also, and he likes to eat them too. And now we're going to draw his legs. So anyways, now that we're done with Cookie Monster, so we draw his eyes and his face, and that looks more exactly like Cookie Monster. So yeah, anyways, now we're gonna continue drawing and I forgot to mention, I meant to show you to move the paper, so I'm gonna show you guys. So I'll show you guys how to draw Cookie Monster, but that's okay. I always make mistakes sometimes. So, anyways, now we are done with our Cookie Monster. So we're done with Big Bird and Cookie Monster, and I saved Elmo best for last. So before I drew Cookie Monster, that I forgot to mention, and now we're gonna finally, we're gonna be drawing my favorite character of all time, and that is Elmo, my favorite one. You know what? And do you know why I like about Elmo? Is because I really love his laugh that goes, yeah. Elmo is my favorite character when I first watched Sesame Street. So yeah. And oh, I forgot to mention, he also has his own show called Elmo's World. I remember watching this show. Yeah. So anyways, that's why we're going to draw him. So anyways, to draw Elmo, let's draw his eyes, just like before. Then we'll color in the pupils. Then we'll draw in the mouth. I mean the head and then the mouth. And then we'll draw his nose like this, shape of an oval. I'll make Elmo's head a little better shape so it looks more like Elmo. So let's turn the paper sideways, and I'm gonna color it like this. And now let's draw his body. And we'll draw his arm. It goes like this. And we'll make his other arm. And draw his legs and feet. And after that, we're gonna end the video off by doing some coloring. And there we go. We're done with our Elmo, our Big Bird, and Cookie Monster. But not yet. All it needs left is colors. So let me go grab some colors. So I got red. Pink, blue, orange, so I got this blue, so yeah. So yeah, anyways, so we got, so yeah, we got almost on every color for Elmo, Big Bird, and Cookie Monster. So anyways, let's start by color. So let me put down my phone, so we're gonna color. And once I'm done once we're done coloring, we're gonna end the video. Oh yeah, I also got yellow too. Anyways, let's start coloring. Oh, and it's gonna take a while to color. It'll take a while for me to color. Or for you guys, or for us to color. So yeah. Anyways, let's do it. Let's color. Anyways, the pink is a little like not working, but that's why I'm gonna use this. So anyways, let's continue coloring. So once they're so we're so that so yeah sorry. So anyways, so let's continue coloring and then we'll end the video. Anyways, anyways, guys. Anyways, guys, I'm back. Oh, like I said, anyways, I'm back. So now that we're done coloring, and doesn't these characters from Sesame Street look awesome, you guys? And look at Elmo, Big Bird, and Cookie Monster. Don't they look awesome, you guys? So, yeah, guys, this is how you draw Big Bird, Elmo, and Cookie Monster from Sesame Street. And, yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing video. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Please share your friends and let me know in the comments if you like watching Sesame Street, and what is your favorite episode or favorite character or favorite season. And according to your favorite, what is your favorite character from Sesame Street? What is your favorite character from the show? Is it Big Bird, Elmo, Cookie Monster, or any other characters from the show? So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. And 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 happy 55th anniversary to Sesame Street. So yeah, anyways, I thank you guys, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, happy 55th anniversary to Sesame Street, and I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye, everyone, and peace out.